This is my non-negotiable morning routine as a day trader. Starting off on the day, I'll always go down here and clean the chart. After I clean the chart, I simply mark out my key levels on the weekly time frame. So you can see I've marked our previous week high. I won't mark our previous week low because I don't think that's the drawn liquidity since we have this SMT with ES. Also, I'll do this on NQ because I trade NQ. I'll also do it on ES because I want to have an idea of what's going on with ES. I've already marked on my drawn liquidity. My drawn liquidity is higher because we're close to all-time highs and we put in this SMT whilst tapping into this PD array. I'll be surprised if we don't move higher. Next, what I do, I go onto Forex Factory and check the news. You can see it's a no news Monday, so I don't expect much from price today. Tuesday we have news, Wednesday and Friday we have NFP. All news really tells me is the potential for price movement. If we have a lot of high impact news, just like we do this week, I'll be more confident in my drawn liquidity. If not, and we have no high impact news, this drawn liquidity, which is 3% away from the current price, I will not be confident in it. And just like how I marked on the key levels on the weekly time frame, I'll do the same for the daily, the hourly, the 4-hourly, 15-minute, all of that. And again, I'll do that for both ES and NQ. Another thing I want to mention is I don't really mark out any highs or lows because the only liquidity I look at is time-based liquidity. So when I mention time-based liquidity, I mean previous week and previous day high and low, session high and low, being the Asia session, London and New York, and news/day highs and lows. And then finally, I set my alerts at key levels and then hop off the charts until 8:30 New York local time. Then I'm kind of stuck on the charts until like around 11. And if I don't find the setup within that time period, then I just hop off the charts for the rest of the day. Timings are a bit different if I'm outside for the day. Even if I am outside, I'll still end up doing this analysis